everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to use LinkedIn and specifically how to follow, like, comment on Uganda Evaluation Association page on LinkedIn. So you will see, let's start. You will see my main window. I already have the application, the LinkedIn application pinned on my window. You can do that and log in into your account. If you don't have an account on LinkedIn, I strongly suggest to create a profile, a complete profile on LinkedIn. That is your business card, and start create your network on this platform. It's a platform dedicated to professionals, to businesses, to NGOs, to individuals. It's a global platform used by recruiters, by organizations to post their openings, job openings, and funding opportunities. So if you do not have an account by now, you miss a lot of content and information that is shared globally on this platform. So now, as you can see, I'm on my LinkedIn account, and I want to search for Uganda Evaluation Association page. So I go to the search button here, click on it, and just type Uganda Evaluation, right? And it's showing up here, Uganda Evaluation Association. Click on it, and now you are on their page. If you are not following this page yet, please click on this button to show following, to show that you currently follow the page. This is important because if you follow this page, then any updates on their page are coming to your LinkedIn feed as well. In order to, now if you are curious to see what posts or content were shared on this page, just click on the page, UEA page, right? And I want to see it as a member. Now I'm also an administrator, right? And here you have this, posts. You want to click on the post button, you want to see their post, and there is a list of posts that have been shared since we created this page a month ago. So let's see, somebody posted this, let's see, right? So you click on more and you want to read about this post, and if this relates with your profession and interest and passion, please like by clicking on this like button, comment, right? Include your comment. Comments are very important. They show an engagement with the content, and also it's an opportunity for you to share your opinion, your insights, your expertise on the topic. Also in the comments, you can tag other people, other organizations that you may think are interested in this topic that you want to share. By tagging in the comment, you use the @ and then type the name of the person. Let's say I want to tag Miss Josephine, the Vice President of UEA, right? And in the drop-down menu here, list, you will see the name, right, that starts with Josephine. Of course, you have to be sure about, you know, the correct name and spell it as it is correctly. So then you just click on her name. I know this is a person I want to tag, and that's the way you tag a person. And you can tag multiple person. What tagging means is that draws attention of that person to the post. um, you can tag multiple people. Again, I want to tag, let's say, Nicholas Demeter. And you can also tag organizations. Um, let's see, I want to tag the African. So you have to know the name, the correct name of the organization. Um, African uh, Evaluation. Sorry, I spelled C. You also need to spell it properly. So, and here, I found it, so I tag. So sometimes organizations, they go by their acronyms, sometimes they go by like the spell out name of the organization. So you need to explore and type all of these names until you find the right person or the right organization to tag. So this is, and then you just post, click on the post, and those people and organizations will actually see, and actually I will post here just to see it. They will see this particular post that was shared on by Uganda Evaluation Association. You also, and I encourage this very much for two reasons, the repost. And repost here, please repost with your thoughts. Why is this important? It's important for you as well to showcase your expertise or your insights on this matter that you want to share. Of course, you can share it with no thoughts and just share it, right? I don't write anything here, I just post. But for you as a professional, it's better to add some valuable insights, the way you view your perspective on the matter, and then post. So it's a simple tool, this LinkedIn, a simple platform to use. I encourage all of you to use it and follow Uganda Evaluation Association. It's your community and your family. So promoting it is indirectly promotes you and your profession and your work. Thank you, everyone.